Welcome to 1910 Oregon Trail in beautiful, quiet, really quaint Englewood, Florida. I'm excited to show you this new listing. It is really special for several reasons, and as we move along, I'm going to tell you why. So first off, it was built in 2001. You would never know it. It's been refurbished in 2020. As you can see, two-story, actually three-story. You've got the Key West-like roof there. Every window and sliding glass door is hurricane impact. That's a huge improvement. Not only that, it sits on almost 3 acres of land. That's a lot of land for $2.65 million. Come inside and see what it's all about. Come in and check this out. We have over 3,600 square feet. This is actually a bedroom, so they're utilizing this as a den. It's opposite the master suite, and you could make either of the 2 bedrooms upstairs a master suite as well, as they're all suites. What's great about this home is there's no carpeting. So if you have allergies, you have pets, this is a great property for you. This was a stairwell here. They did put a elevator. It goes from the very first floor to this floor and all the way up to the top. So groceries, no problem. And really, this is what this home is all about. These views are incredible. You are west facing here, so you have sunsets all year. The sunset this time of year here in July is literally dead center. So all year you're gonna have sunsets galore. You're gonna have lots of wildlife, so many birds, fish, manatees. You're not gonna get bored here watching the wildlife. So they really did not spare an expense in this kitchen especially. Absolutely beautiful. Centers around the kitchen, right? So everybody gathers here. Really top of the line everything here. So lots of room to entertain. So, and we've got the laundry is on this side here. And we'll show you the master next. All right, coming to the master. So this is technically the main master because it's on the main floor opposite the the main living area and the kitchen. Again, beautiful views. Every room really, every room has a great view, which is unique because not all bedrooms especially face water frontage. So another unique feature, and so beautiful. I love the tile floor here and just really light and bright, nicely done. So beautiful master suite. And when you come out the elevator, you've got pick and choose which suite you want to use. So off to the left here, beautiful suite. I would say this is a queen size bed, it looks like. And you've got this beautiful seating area with all this extra space. You can, do all kinds of different things in here. And every single bedroom has a view of this beautiful Lemon Bay. So gorgeous. And of course, I know I mentioned it, but there's no carpeting. These are just area rugs. And really nicely appointed. And opposite here, we're gonna get to that view last, but of course we have another great bedroom. I would say that looks to be a king size bed. Really bright room, high ceilings, awesome bathroom in there. Full bath, of course. Again, just great for guests. Overflow, if you have a good sized family. And you like to have fun out in the sun at the Florida lifestyle. Right, and you come out here, this is like your little rooftop area, and you can access it, of course, from up here or from the spiral staircase there, and you have this incredible bird's eye view. Look, we even have a boat coming by just for your pleasure. So beautiful, you guys. I would love to show you this property. We're going to show you the downstairs next. All right, we are standing in what used to be part of the garage storage space. So what they did here, now this is all permitted, it's under air, it added quite a bit of square feet to the property, and really tastefully done. You wouldn't even feel like this used to be, you know, the garage space. So you've got the full 2-car tandem garage to the opposite wall here. And notice you've got a great half bath here. Everything so tastefully done. Everything is really high quality. And let's step outside to see the great pool area. Now this room too, by the way, can be easily converted into, this is a nice size second living space or yoga studio. It could be all full of game room. By the way, I'm told that the pool table is included. It does come unfurnished. So this is the outside. This is really a big kids haven. You have an 8-person hot tub, heated saltwater pool, lots of great fountain features, this massive screened in area lanai that is exquisite, and it really helps showcase this amazing view. And notice the mangroves are trimmed down enough so you can see the water from all 3 levels, particularly down here on the first floor where a lot of times it is obstructed. Travertine floors out here, and really nicely complete with this built-in outdoor kitchen. This functions off of propane, which is awesome. You'll also notice as you look around the grounds the absolutely zero-scape, close to zero maintenance on the exterior. So much extra space out here to entertain. You have pets, room to run around, and when you come out here, absolutely everything is so well kept. I can't even find a spot of dust even outside, right? Of course, they've got their little kayak over here. Come on and see this beautiful dock. Absolutely, I can't express how pristine this property is, even out onto this deck. We have electric out here, of course, because we have this boat right here is a 22-foot boat, covered. The covered piece of this is really unique because they don't allow that on all water frontages, so that's really neat. It keeps the boat a little cooler and cleaner. And again, just impeccably kept. 22 foot, 8,600 pound. This can also accommodate up to a 40-foot sailboat. So it's got the deep water. We are, gosh, so Manasota Key is across the way, right across here. So you basically go south and go around, and the Gulf of Mexico is, I would say, gosh, no more than 10 minutes from this property, from your backyard. And you've got Englewood Beach there, and then further to the north you have Manasota Beach. So thank you so much for taking a tour of 1910 Oregon Trail down in beautiful Englewood, Florida. If you have any questions or would you like to view this property, click the link below, shaylatwit.com.